Hi, and welcome to the MyLOFT user guide video. In this brief video, we will show you some of the basic features of MyLOFT that will allow users to access, discover, organize, save, and share subscribed e-resources from your library. Once your institute creates your account in MyLOFT, you will receive a welcome email in your inbox. Once you locate the email in your inbox, depending on your institution's login process, you may proceed. Some users may see a Configure Password button here in the email. You may click on the button and you will be redirected to create your password for your account. Make sure you follow the instructions, including an uppercase letter, lowercase letter, one number, and at least one special character. Once you have created your password, you will need to select your institute from the search bar and sign in using your credentials depending on your institution. The MyLOFT web app is supported by Chromium browsers like Chrome and Microsoft Edge. If by chance you are unable to locate the welcome email, even in the spam folder, please contact your library administrator to make sure you have an active account. When entering the MyLOFT web app for the first time, you will see a link to add the extension on the top left side of the screen. You must click on it and add the extension. Further, on the top right corner, you will see an extension icon. Click on it and you will see the MyLOFT extension, which you have added. Pin it by clicking on the pin mark in front of it. This whole exercise only needs to be done once, and you must do this before proceeding. Once done, you can now start accessing the e-resources subscribed by your institution from anywhere and anytime. Once you arrive at the web portal, you can use the search window on top so that you can discover content through the search engines provided by your institute. Select a search engine and write a keyword or phrase that you are looking for and click enter. MyLOFT will take you to the search result page of the respective search engine. Explore and navigate as per your needs. Once you reach the relevant content in full text format, click on the MyLOFT extension on the top right corner to save the content in MyLOFT. You may select a different collection of your choosing and add relevant tags at this point as well. However, if you do not designate a collection, the content automatically gets saved in the default folder in Collections and the Recently Saved section on the home page. To access the e-resources, click on the e-resource tab on the left-hand side panel. You will see different menus for databases, journals, ebooks, and other content depending on the content uploaded by your institute. Once you click on a menu, you will get access to the respective library subscribed e-resources. Click on a specific content to get the access. The system will take you to the respective website/URL. Explore and navigate as per your needs. Once you reach the relevant content in full text format, click on the MyLOFT extension on the top right corner to save the content in MyLOFT. Automatically, the content gets saved in the default folder in Collections and the Recently Saved section on the home page. You may select a different collection of your choosing and add relevant tags at this point as well. We can come back to the home page by clicking on the Home tab on the left side panel. MyLOFT further provides us with features like collections, favorites, and bookmarks to organize your content. To create a folder in Collections, click on the Collections tab on the left-hand side panel. The first time you enter into Collections, you will see a folder already created for you with the name General Collections. To create a new folder, click on the plus sign in front of Collections. The system will ask for a folder name, provide a name, and click on Save. Now you can see the respective folder is visible under Collections. One important input. You will see a pin mark in front of General Collections. This means that this is the default folder. The default folder is the place where your content automatically gets saved in MyLOFT. To create your newly created folder as the default folder, place the mouse cursor on the name of the newly created folder and click on the pin mark. Now you can see the pin mark is now in front of that folder. You can also create some content as your favorite. First, reach the content of your choosing, database, journals, ebooks, or your saved content, and you will see a heart icon. Click on it if you want to save that specific content as a favorite. On the home page, on the left-hand side panel, you will see a favorite section. Click on it. The system will showcase you all of the content which you have earlier designated as a favorite. The next time you are on MyLOFT, you will not need to search for the content. You can access it directly under the favorite section. Further, once you click on the first icon on the top right corner, MyLOFT will provide you with the newly published articles for the journals which you have designated as your favorite. Also, you can create 10 shortcuts as bookmarks on your homepage. If you hover your mouse cursor on the right-hand side vertical panel, you will see the bookmark section, where you can click on the plus sign and can add a shortcut to certain content or websites by just copying and pasting the URL. MyLOFT provides multiple features for your saved content. Once you have saved content, whether in the folders or in recently saved, you will see 3 dots along with all of the saved content. Click on it, and you will now be able to share the specific content with your friends using their email ID. Move the content from one collection to another, or you can tag a keyword with the content, which further helps you to organize and identify the content within a collection. After opening a particular saved content, you will see multiple features on top of the screen. You can highlight the content, you can increase the font size, or switch to full screen view. Features like TTS, text to speech, provide you the audio for the saved content, which you can use while traveling, or if you want to hear the content instead of reading the content. To summarize, MyLOFT is a mobile and web app through which users can access, discover, organize, and share all of their digital content.